Hello everyone, I am Sasikumar Karapanan. Today we are going to see about tuberculosis detection by using deep learning application. In that we are going to develop the web application for TB detection. First in that we are going to develop the code for that web application. In that web application we need a dataset. I download the dataset from Kaggle like tuberculosis chest x-ray images. Then I am download it and upload in the Google Drive. Then first we want to importing the necessary libraries whatever you want. I'm using the PyTorch library for this detection, and then I'm going to load and pre-processing the dataset. First we are going to load the dataset from the Google Drive. Then we are pre-processing the image like resizing, the normalize, the horizontal flip to the tensors like this, and then we are going to defining an architectures like CNN. I'm using the CNN architecture. In the CNN architecture, I'm using the Max Pool 2D for the development. Then I'm going to use hyperparameter and load pre-trained model. In the pre-trained model, I'm using the ResNet 18. I'm using the pre-trained model. Then visualizing the dataset. In that dataset, I'm going to visualizing the sample images like with affected TB or without affected TB. The first row is with affected TB and second row is without affecting the TB. Then I'm going to split the dataset like train and validation. In the train and validation, I'm going to split the data into 60-40. For train, it's a 60 and the validating it is a 40. Then we got the result like training dataset is 2526 and then validating dataset images have 1684. Then I'm creating to initialize the model like CNN simple images, and I am going to change my runtime to CPU to GPU because CPU take more time to run and then GPU take the less time to run. Then so I'm changing my runtime to CPU to GPU. Then I'm going to train a model and validating the model. In a train a model, I'm using the approaches 5 approach. In the 5 approach, we are going to run and getting a loss and then accuracy. We are getting accuracy. Then we have pre-trained dataset. In that pre-trained trained dataset is going to save like fine-tuned TB model.path. This model is going to save here like fine-tuned TB in the Google Colab. Then we are going to download it for further use. Then we are going to test the model with new dataset, whether the old dataset and new dataset is getting the same accuracy difference. Then I download the different dataset for like tuberculosis test in the Google. Then I'm going to run this one to get the accuracy is good or not. Then I'm going to predict the images from the dataset like with images or without affected TB. Then for that I'm using the prediction code I'm writing. Then in that image path I'm going the data like a normal image, that means a without affected image, normal image. Then I'm going to run this image. If the image has a TB is detected, it show like a result like TB detected, and TB is not so like this. So we are uploading the normal images, so it's going to detect like a TB is not detected. Now we are going to develop a website to detecting a TB. For that I am using a Visual Studio to develop a code for the dataset. Yeah, in this we have to clear the screen. Yeah, in the screen we already we are using the Flask application Flask framework to developing a website. Flask framework in the Python. So we're using the Flask framework to develop the website. I'm using the Flask. So in that I'm going to list what are the templates we have like static templates, tuberculosis, app.py, fine-tune model. I already said that we have pre-trained data set like fine-tune.model is download. In the trained model we are using here like fine-tune TB model for evaluating. And then I'm also using in static I'm using some sample images to to train for this data set, to train for this one. So I'm using this one here, like upload folder. We are using the sample image like static uploads. Then we are using the trained data set here, like fine-tuned data set, like trained data set here to develop a website, fine-tuned TB. And then we are going to run here, and then I'm also develop this index. This is HTML. This is a front end. HTML is a front page. In the front page, whether the image is affected TB or not affected TB, it shows in a red color. This is a front end. Then we are going to do a app.py. App.py is a backend, which is the application to develop a website. Develop a website. Then we are running Python. No, not here. Python space app.py. This is for running. Now it's going to run. It's run and give a website like http:/127.0.0.1. This is the localhost ID. This is a website to run. Then we are moving to the website to run. I'm opening a new tab and giving the link like GB. Then we are going to run this one. It's opening the front page like upload images. The first one is we are going to choose a file which is affected or not affected. We are going to choose a file that TB is affected images. Then open. Then go to upload. It's not running. Whether it's going to show that whether it's affected or not. We got a result like file upload successfully, and this we are upload the TB affected chest X-ray images. So it correctly show the TB disease detected in red color. So we are done our project successfully, and then we are developed a website for TB detection using Python code by using PyTorch. Thank you.